everyone. Point of sale image in dashboard app helps user to configure point of sale image dashboard in that set or upload a point of sale image for the dashboard. User can see the uploaded image in the point of sale dashboard. Let's see the configuration part first. For that, let me get into the settings. Under point of sale, we can see I have enabled a shop. Here we need to enable the shop right away here, in which shop we need to apply an image. Now I am going to apply an image for the shop. Let me select a shop in the point of sale session. And now when we scroll down, that is when we goes under that, you can see an option named image dashboard point of sale. Okay, so from here we need to upload a file. So for this I'm going to upload this one, and let me save this one. And let's see the point of sale image in the dashboard. For that we need to get into the point of sale. So from here you can see the image will be added in each of the shop in the dashboard, point of sale dashboard screen. So in this way we can make use of this module to add image in the point of sale dashboard. Thank you for watching.